Yan. So, we're here at Terminal 3 po. Waiting kami flight namin. It's currently 5:40. Ang flight namin ay 7 a.m. Here's the gang. Say hi. Aray ko naman. Hi guys! Late kami. So, lipat kami ngayon ng terminal. Ay, terminal. Gate pala. Ayan sila, nananakbo po. Yes. You say hi guys. Ano pala? This is my vlogging life, you know. Hindi naman. Kaya natin siya guys na i-alba. Wala. Pikit ka. Nasa ka mo.
Huwag masyado ko. Malayo. Yan.
What's that? Ikaw din, dapat ka. Sige, may isa pa tayong customer. Sige. Pampa fresh. Number 23 daw, baggage claim. Sana mabot kami sa itinerary mo. Welcome to Thailand! Nag-aaway sila guys. Para silang... So we're here, we're going underground for the MRT. Hey vlogs!
Dali mo to, akin yan.
Radcha Pro Prop.
Yan na. Dali mo yan dito. Dali mo.
We're here at Suvarnabhumi Station.
Dalang yan. Tingnan ang mga photo.
Nakigaya ka din.
Yung bangs ko hindi siya nakaayos. Hi, Kuya. Kuya.
Hi, ma'am.
กำลังเข้าสู่ชานชาลาหมายเลข 2 และสิ้นสุดการ
No key? That's it. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ
Going to Wat Arman. Oh, maganda tayo, babe. sinasampang.
Excuse me, I'll...
the Pop Mart. 7th floor siya kaso nasa 6th floor lang kami. So we need to find yan, escalator. White Orchid.
White Orchid nga daw. Eh, walang White Orchid.
Ito.
Ah, ito pala.
Hi.
สวัสดีค่ะ
PTD 5735 4 คน
Yeah.
Music name
Yeah.
ก็จิตฟ้าที่ว่านี้หน้า
Chicken 1 by 1 Single put on your shirt
Okay.
Stand by pier number 2 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Where's pier number 2 around
Number
there?
2
Okay. Kapag ka.
Ano sabi?
happy. We're going to Ancient City today. Okay. I love the room, you know? Hindi na ako makagalaw. Saan ang ticket? Hi guys, we're here sa Ancient City.
Chicken for 4 persons.
Okay.
The buffet.
Okay, where is the buffet here?
Here is the buffet. Open 11 until 6 p.m. You can go anytime.
Okay.
Now we are here at number 4. Number 10 we have market. Local market. Yeah.
Okay.
I recommend you beautiful place.
Okay.
This one is code for renovation.
Okay.
And number 19 and 45 we have Thai show for free. You can take time this one and this one.
Is this for free?
Yeah.
Or from what time is it?
Or you can take time this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay. When you go restaurant, you can show voucher with ticket again.
Okay. This one and this one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, tapos na ako. And ako kasi nag-book sa pamilya ko lahat. Pinuntahan namin dito. So, ayan sila. Nag-aantay lang. Bye lang. Guys, ito na. Ito yung map. Open na maki, may sasabihin ako.
This is the map, guys.
Sugat. Ayan, lahat ng may star dito sa mapa, yun yung maganda puntahan para hindi tayo magsayang ng oras. Tapos ito, yung may market siya, number 10. Ngiti siya. Tapos yung buffet, open siya 11 anytime. Ito, nasa 100.
Pwede tayo sa buffet.
111. Kasi binayaran ko yung... Tago mo to, ma. Ayan, ito yung ticket natin.
Ito yung sa buffet.
Oo.
Dito din yung buffet.
Ito, pwede natin puntahan to. Nandito tayo ngayon sa number 4. So, tignan mo kung gaano kalaki yung mapa. Nandito tayo sa number 4.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos may show siya. May show sila. Pwede puntahan. Ang pinakamaaga ay 10:40. Pinipicturean niya ko yung map. 1, 2, 3. Here's my mother. Hi! I'm the booker. We're paying for the golf cart na. I'm with the driver. Kailangan kasi guys, merong driver's license. So, siya lang yung may driver's license. Yun na sis. Tama sis, kung may gas-gas, i-check mo din. Oo nga, tabi nga. Okay, we're taking photo of the gas-gas and everything. Ay, dito sis, stop ka dyan. Pwede ang picture dyan. Saan? 105 ata. Pwede ata dyan. 100.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Ann.
realize it one day, that happiness was never about your job or your degree or being in a relationship. Happiness was never about following in the footsteps of all of those who came before you. It was never about being like the others. One day, you're going to see it.
But the most beautiful things in life are not just things. They're people and places, memories and pictures. They're feelings and moments, and smiles and laughter.
Grabe naman the hangin here. So, let's go.
Dito ng pagka-gold nyo.
Kaya nga eh.
Galing ko kayo na nagagawa ito.
Katotoong gold yan.
Yung video,
Yes.
Stop. Wait lang, tingnan mo muna. Pipicturean ko lang to ah.
Sige, bipicturean kita sa camera ko.
Check mo. Hindi, para makita mo yung ano mo yan. Tulga ba?
Eh kasi nakaano ako eh.
Tanggalin mo muna hat.
Mga bike. Pag mag-isa ka lang. Walang biscuit.
Bagay yung damit mo.
Sino? Wala, sige. Yan yung pa niya.
Oh, dahil oh, pitawan mo na. Break.
Ay, gag.
Isang paa.
Ay, sige. Paano? Ito yung go.
Tapos
Ito,
next
break.
si Mami, ha? Okay.
Yung park. Ano yung park?
Wala. Isang paa lang gagamitin mo. Oh, go. Sige, full.
Sige. Wow. Wait, there's a bird.
Sige, apakan mo.
Yay!
Man, nandiyo, nasa kabilang lane ka na.
Ayan mo, wala naman tao. Wala naman sakyan.
O, dito ka. Pasok ka dyan. Pasok ka dyan. Tapos pasok ka dyan. Dito. Ayan. Nakain ko na ba?
Vlog. Yeah, for asa si Ma?
Morning.
The other one is there.
Okay, let me show you again.
Okay. Hi guys. Nandito kami sa cafe. Sa ano?
Anong arawan niyo?
Puro elephant.
Ang hapukin ina.
So, yung food dito is more on Thai cuisine talaga.
Malamang, nasa Thailand ka, gahabi.
Hindi, I mean, yung buffet, kahapon kasi Thai and American gag.
Hindi naman American.
May American na spaghetti.
Bawal ba sila mag-spaghetti?
I mean, kasi yung
Kasi, hindi naman Pinoy spaghetti yun, girl. Lulok, girl. Sabi, hindi babad na yan, girl.
Ay, kainin mo, wala akong 1,000 ba? Hindi kami kabili sa oras. Kawawa naman. Alam pa ng mga classmate mo yung iyo. Para mabigyan mo na ng wala kang 1,000. Hi guys, so we just returned our golf cart here. And papalit na kami ng damit kasi ito naman kami sa shopping na kami. Today is our last day here. So babayaran lang namin yung exceeding hours na consume namin and it's to charge. Hi guys, so di ko na natapos yung vlog. Ito na yung outro ko. Bye!
Ituloy-tuloy ko na.